Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabu Tinku Foodies. Today I'm going to show you how to make soft and fluffy whole wheat buns without yeast. These buns are super easy to make. They are perfect for burgers, sandwiches, as a side with soups and curries. And if you love pav bhaji, these whole wheat buns are a must try. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. We'll start by adding 2 cups of whole wheat flour into a bowl, followed by 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Cornstarch helps make the buns lighter and softer. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cane sugar or any sweetener of your choice, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well to combine. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any oil of your choice and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Using your hands, mix well to form a smooth dough. Once the dough is ready, transfer it to a cutting board and roll it into a log. Using a knife, cut it into 6 equal-sized pieces. Shape each piece into a ball and place them in a baking dish. Make sure to grease your baking pan nicely with oil or butter to prevent the buns from sticking. Brush the tops with milk. This helps give the buns a golden color and prevents cracking. Sprinkle some flax seeds or any seeds of your choice. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. Once baked, let them cool completely. Enjoy these healthy, easy to make whole wheat buns with soups, curries. For a nutritious breakfast, you can slice them and top with peanut butter and fruits. Or simply toast, spread some salted butter and enjoy these whole wheat buns with a cup of tea. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never baked whole wheat buns which are healthy, tasty and easy as well, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.